Okay, today I'm taking a look at the Kauplus 9-piece metric long arm hex ball and wrench set. That is actually pretty beautiful. So I use Allen wrenches all the time. So these L key wrenches, I use them all the time. But this one is designed for actually removing rounded off fasteners. So you can see it has that twist in there. And what that's going to do is it's going to expand and it's going to grab onto whatever kind of a socket head that you fit this into. So for me, I run into this quite a bit. And what I usually end up having to do is I'll grab a chisel and a hammer and I'll just beat on it until I get it to break free. With this, I'm not going to have to do that anymore, which is quite welcome. But I think what makes this nice is just look at the length on that thing. That's insanely long. So that's going to allow me to get a ton of leverage on here. Where normally, like if I was going to try and do something like this with a regular Allen, I would have to put some kind of a cheater bar on here so I could grab it out here. This thing's long enough. If I need to put a cheater bar on here, I might as well just go get a whole nother part because this is long. SNCM plus V. I was guessing that's something vanadium. What is that? Okay, so it says it's CRV, so that's a chrome vanadium. Chrome vanadium. I wonder what SN is. Well, it doesn't matter. But anyway, this is a 10. So this is the biggest size that I normally need. And it does have a ball end on this side, so if I need to get in a weird angle, I can do that. So I can still use this as a regular L wrench. And then it just has this super fancy end over here for grabbing onto rounded fasteners. So that's pretty awesome. You can see we are labeled 10865, and then it's a little harder to see on the red, but it is actually labeled there too. So we got 4, 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5. Chrome vanadium is an excellent type of steel for anything that you need to put a lot of torque on. So they definitely did their homework when they were making this thing. And it does pop open like that. So if you want to just like throw this in your toolbox and you want to have access to all of them all at once, that's a nice way of doing it. That's cool. So it actually kind of locks into place. Nice. Oh, it spins. Look at that. All right, cool. So you can throw this on your belt if you want to, or just put it up like that and throw it on a hook. Yeah, it's a pretty cool set. So here we've got a pocket knife, and this is actually my favorite little utility knife. And today I'm going to destroy it. So I'm going to use a 1.5, and it didn't take much at all. So I just over torqued it and rounded it off. Okay, so that one is done. Now let's see if I can undo it. Nope. So that one is done. Yeah. So there is no getting that thing out now. So it is done. So let's grab our 1.5 here and see if we can get that to move with this. Oh wow, I can feel that it grabbed it already. Yeah, it's coming up. Neato. So even on this now rounded bolt, I was able to get that thing to come out. So now I just have to replace this and I'll be right back in business. Not too bad. I'm actually kind of surprised that worked that well. So yeah, pretty great set.